Long, and I'm going to be your teacher this year. Let me show you around the room so we can talk about some of the things that we're going to do. We're going to learn about so many things. Some of the ways that we're going to learn is by having discussions, questions, and answers. Also, reading. We're going to learn how to put our words and thoughts on paper, grammatically correct. We're going to learn about punctuation, parts of the speech. That's going to be awesome because I know you have a lot to say. We're also going to learn social skills. We're going to learn about how it is important to be a contributing member of the society. So we want you to feel important in our society and make sure that you know that you have something to give. We need you. You're in 3rd grade. You're our future. We need your thoughts. So we're going to learn about our world, some of the things that's going on today. We're going to learn about our social and emotional skills. How are we feeling? And then how are our friends feeling? How can we help? We also want to be very positive. I love having flowers, happy times, life. Let's talk about life. All of these things here as a reminder that you are here, you are loved, and we want you to grow. And speaking of all of that, growing, somebody has a birthday every day of the year. When is yours? We like to celebrate, and we like to sing our song. We celebrate big. We do everything big in this class. Everything is big, so we celebrate big. Well, we like to pour positive things into your heart. That's why it's the shape of a heart. I want all of these positive things to go right in there like an arrow, pew, straight to the heart. And since we're talking about the heart, let's talk about what Ms. Long loves, which is math. I love math, and you will too, I promise you. So these are some of the things that our 3rd graders did last year. It may look like a lot. I tell you what, they learned about some of the things that are biodegradable. What's a hemisphere? How about polymers? They can give examples of biomimicry. They also learned how to balance negative and positive integers. You think that's a lot? It's not. They did it and you can too. I tell you what, 2020 has been something special, but we are gonna end this with a bang. Okay, I will see you on August 24th.